Hello, guys. Hi, guys. We're back, and we just found a cicada killer.
Who is in action killing a cicada. Very rare to get to see this, and this is a huge cicada killer. And they just like to make little holes in the ground to find their home. And they will take them up to the tree and eat them. And they don't hurt you. They might look like they're a very mean bug, but they can never hurt you. They are very nice. They actually get rid of the disgusting cicada shells that you see. And it looks like, from what it looks like, the guy he just killed was in the middle of shedding. Come over here, guys. So, see, you can see the fresh new shed right here. Poor cicada just got out of his shed.
I don't know about that.
Yeah,
that does look pretty fresh.
And then he got killed. So that is a very friendly and nice cicada killer. It helps you. You can put, so there's another shed right there. You can find sheds everywhere. Oh, and I see another shed on this little piece of grass over here. And they just help kill cicadas and, you know, those bugs that make that sound that, listen. Those are cicadas.
And it kind of sounds like a rattlesnake.
Yes, but they are not, and they are kind of creepy, but it's okay. And so that, we just wanted to show y'all guys that because you don't normally get to see that. So I hope you enjoyed that little clip. Have a nice day. Bye.